a boomer dog stuck in the water holding on to mommy for dear life. Help! Help, we're adrift at sea. Help! Help, we're adrift. Help! Oh, what's up, Boom? Oh, are you gonna make it? Oh. Your hiney's floating. Your hiney's floating. Yeah, swim. Swim, bud. Yeah. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. You got it. You got it. Come on. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. You got it, bud. He's gonna scratch you. Yeah, we're going the wrong way. Good boy. Get him, Boom! Boy, you got Michael Phelps beat there, bud. All right. Our first swimming lesson. Good boy. The shake. Hold him. Get him closer. Good boy. How was it? How was that? Was that good? Was that good? Was that good? Hmm? What do you think? Good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, bud. Get mommy. Come on. His hiney's floating again. What's up, silly dog? Okay.
Come here, Boom. Come here, Boom.
Where's mommy at? Where's she going?
Get her phone.
Okay.
Come here, Boom.
Okay.
Hey, Bobby. Hi.
Hmm.
You're falling. You're losing your balance, dog. What?
Go get mommy.
Go get mommy.
Come on. Come on. Ah! Don't pull him by it.
Come on, Bim. I'm trying, Dad.
Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey. It's okay. It's all right. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. What's up?
I'm surprised you didn't yelp from a crab.
Did Krabby bite you? I hope not. That hurts. That hurts.
You ever went, arr?
Yeah. What's that?
I hope he doesn't get sick.
I hope not either. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it.
Come on.
His butt's floating again. Come on, go get mommy. Butt float. Come on, this way.
Come here, Bim.
He's standing on his back legs.
Come here, Bimmy.
Alright, I think this is probably enough excitement for one day. Yeah.
Go.
Come on, let's go on in, Boom. Here, let me have it. Come on. Look at him go. Alright. Was that fun?